2023 was a challenging year. Interest rates were up, inflation is up. Before the year, recession was in the headlines. Is 2023 going to be a recession year? On paper, looking back, we in fact were not in a recession, although credit card debt was at an all-time high. Car payments are delinquent at an all-time rate. And that coupled with the cost of borrowing, people are making less income right now. Businesses overall are down. Not technically in a recession, but coming off a hot 2021 and 2022, 2023 really taking a step back. I think the key for 2024 is being very self-aware of how your expenses were pushed out and where your income was at, what you thought income was going to be, and where can you really push the needle in 2024 to set yourself up for an amazing 2025. That's how I'm approaching it, and I think that's some of the keys for the savvy business owner, entrepreneur, sales professional to set themselves up for not only 2024, but a strong 2025.